If you have visited Khyber Pakhtunkhwa or Hazara Division and haven't seen Umbrella Waterfall so far, then what you have even seen. After exploring Sajjikot Waterfall, our next, final and ultimate destination was Umbrella Waterfall, which we had been eagerly wanting to explore since we first heard about it. This breathtaking and most beautiful waterfall is located just 2 or 3 kilometers from Sajjikot Waterfall. Reaching Umbrella Waterfall requires a 20 minutes challenging hike from parking area. The ascent is quite steep, making it difficult to maintain balance. So one need to be careful. The tourists take a few steps, then pause to catch their breath for a few minutes. This pattern of walking and resting continues, making the journey a gradual and manageable one. It is advisable to bring a trekking pole to support yourself during the hiking. The trail to the waterfall is rough, rocky, and slippery, littered with small stones, making every step a potential hazard. One misstep can lead to a dangerous fall. My friends took a look at the treacherous path and opted not to join me to the waterfall. Finally, after a tough 20 minutes hike, I have reached waterfall. The sound of the gushing water gets louder as I approach. A large stream flows from the other side, merging with the waterfall's water. The waterfall is partially hidden, and to reach it, I need to pass through the stream's waters. I decide to rent some slippers and to step into the cold water of the stream. There are chairs and charpais placed in the stream's waters, where one can sit and enjoy a warm cup of tea and crispy pakoras. A large number of tourists and families from all over the country flock to witness the beauty of this waterfall. When you reach near the waterfall, the water of the stream welcomes you with open arms. The moment when waterfall's water merges with the stream, this creates a sight to behold. Nestled in a narrow valley, the waterfall remains hidden until you are upon it. And when finally it comes into view, its towering height takes your breath away. People of all ages, men, women, and children, equally enjoy the breathtaking views of the waterfall. This waterfall is truly unique, and its charm is undeniable. It's truly one of a kind with its mesmerizing scenery. As the water cascades down from a great height, forming tiny droplets, it creates spellbinding atmosphere that leaves visitors in awe. We are incredibly lucky to have such a delightful weather today. The gentle drizzle, the overcast sky, and the breathtaking views of the Umbrella Waterfall all come together to create a truly enchanting atmosphere. The mesmerizing sound of the water adds to the serenity, making this place nothing short of paradise. What can you even call this kind of beauty? It's simply mesmerizing. I am in short of words to describe this beauty. The waterfall cascades down from a height of over 50 feet, spreading across a width of over 200 feet, creating a stunning mist that surrounds you. Taking a dip in this natural wonder is an experience like no other. The cool water droplets of the waterfall invigorates your soul. Each scene is more breathtaking than the last. And the further you go, more breathtaking and captivating it becomes. However, the locals take advantage of the tourists' desperation. Getting to Umbrella Waterfall is easier than you think. You can conveniently access it from Islamabad, Havelian, Abbotabad, and Natia Gali. If you are coming from Islamabad, it is just a 2 hours drive away, making it a perfect day trip destination. So pack a picnic, grab your camera, and get ready to be captivated by the waterfall's serene beauty. This must be among your must visit destinations. The locals charge exorbitant prices for the essentials like renting slippers, sticks, and ladder. But honestly, the beauty of this waterfall is worth every penny. A day spent at Umbrella Waterfall can be a day like no other in your entire life. Feel the stress melt away and let the beauty of the waterfall revive your spirit.